adding products to your Shopify store. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add products to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let us begin. So to add your products, what you want to do is go to products right here. And then from here, what you want to do is to just click on add product. And then after that, in the title section over here, what you want to do is to just add the name of your product. So for example, I'll be selling shirts. And then after that, what you want to do is to just input the category of your product or description of your product right here. So you can add your own description or you can use Shopify's AI right here. So for example, I'll just use Shopify's AI and then I'll just enter your keywords right here and then just click on generate. And then after that, you can generate a new description or keep it. So for me, I'll just keep it. And then there you go. We now have a description. So next is we have media. So in here, this is where you upload the images or videos or 3D models of your product. So I'll just upload mine right now. I'll just upload this. And then there you go. You can also add or upload more images if you want to. Next is we have category. So in here, what you want to do is you just input the category of your product. So mine is t-shirts right here. So just input t-shirts right here in categories. Next is we have pricing. So in here, just input the price of your product. So as an example, I will set it to 200 pesos. You can also charge tax on this product if you want to. Next is we have cost per item. So in here, what you want to do is to input on how much it costs for the item to be made so that Shopify can calculate your profit and margin. So for example, it costs me around 100 pesos to make one shirt. So every product we sell, we will get a profit of 100 pesos and a margin of 50%. Next is we have some inventory settings right here. So in here, you can track the quantity of your inventory just by clicking or checking this box right here. And then at the bottom, you can also customize these settings right here, like continue selling when out of stock, or if your product has an SKU or barcode. Next is shipping. So in here, you can set if your product is a physical product or not. So since I'm selling shirts as an example, I'll just tick this box over here since shirts are physical products. And then what you can also do is add the weight of your product over here and add more customs information. Next is we have variants. So in here, you can add variants for your product. So since I'm selling shirts, I can add variants like color, sizes, and etc. So for example, I'll just add a variant over here. And then let's say I'll be adding variants or colors for my shirt. So I'll just click on that. And then after that, just click on the variant that you've made. And then from here, you can add your colors. So you can add orange, yellow, anything that you like. So feel free to customize this section out, or you can manually type your own variants right here. And then once you're done, just click on done. And then there you go. We have now made our variants. Another thing that you can also do is that you can also set different price ranges for the variants right here. Like you can change the price for the orange one, the yellow one, the red one, and so on. So feel free to customize these prices out. And then next is we have category meta fields. So in here, just input your category or meta fields right here, like your age group, sleeve length type, target gender, and etc. You can also add more right here at the bottom just by clicking on these. And then next is we have search engine listing. So this is what your product will look like if someone searches it in a search engine like Google. And then at the top over here is we have the status of our product. So in here, you can set your product as active or draft. And then next is we have the product type. So just input your product type right here. So for example, I'll just name my product type shirt. Choose your vendor. You can also add this to your collections if you want to, and add tags for your product. So for example, I'll just add shirt as a tag. And then once you're done customizing your product, just simply click on save. And then there you go. Our product has now been created. So when I go back to the product section over here, as you can see, we have now listed our product. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add products to your Shopify store. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.